In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Obsidian. Protecting your notes is essential, and the safest way is to copy your entire vault to another location, like a flash drive, an external hard drive, or the cloud. I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for the File Explorer. Click the folder icon to open it if it isn't already visible. This panel shows your vault's folders and files. Find the folder you want to back up. Most people back up the top level vault folder so everything goes with it. Your notes, attachments, and the settings that live inside the hidden .obsidian folder. Right-click that folder to bring up the context menu. From that menu, choose the option that reveals the folder in your operating system, typically called Show in System Explorer. On Windows, this opens File Explorer. On macOS, it opens Finder, and on Linux, it opens your File Manager. Obsidian will take you directly to the folder's location on your drive. A system folder window will appear. You're now looking at the vault on your disk. For a clean copy, try not to make changes to notes while the transfer runs. You can now copy the entire vault folder. Don't go inside and pick files individually. Copy the whole thing so nothing gets left behind. Connect your flash drive or external drive, open it in another window, and paste the folder there. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl or CMD-C to copy and Ctrl or CMD-V to paste make this quick. Keep the folder name the same so it's easy to recognize later. Wait for the progress bar to finish, especially if you store large attachments or images. You can also put the backup in the cloud. Open your preferred cloud storage and upload the copied vault folder. Give it time to sync completely before you close your laptop. If privacy is a concern, consider using a provider that supports encryption at rest and in transit. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Backing up the entire vault ensures your internal links, plugins, and settings come along. After the copy completes, spot check a few notes and attachments in the backup to be sure everything made it over. And if you do this regularly, you'll always have a safe, up-to-date copy of your Obsidian notes ready to restore when you need them.